What's up, friends? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Google activity. If your Google activity is not showing under your account, you can easily fix this. So what you want to do, whether you're on your PC or on your mobile, you can quickly follow these steps. And I'm going to just show you how to do that on the PC real quick, and afterwards show you what you can check if it's on your computer. And just keep in mind that once you do this on your PC, it will reflect on your mobile as well. So I'm going to just show you on the PC. And so if you have a computer, you can quickly check this because it will also change the settings for you on your mobile once you do it. So how do we do this? You want to head over to google.com and sign into your account. As you can see, I already signed into my account. If I click the profile on the upper right, I can see my account as well, and just click and manage your Google account right here. And so from here, once you're here on the left side, you want to go to the data and privacy, as you can see there, and scroll down. Now, the first thing you want to check right here, as you will be able to see this, is check to see if web and app activity is paused. And so if it's paused there, guys, that's why you're not able to see your Google activity. It needs to be on. And you can see YouTube, for example. So while you might be able to see YouTube activities, you want to ensure that your web and app activities turn on. By clicking on this here, right here, you can scroll down and you can just turn it on. It will capture everything, guys. As you can see right here, it's going to show what kind of activities it will capture, but all you have to do is click turn on, scroll down, and it will give you the option to turn it on. You do that and you just click got it, and that's it. So now it's turned on, right? And you can now go back and know that whatever you will do going forward, it will capture your activity. On your phone, you will also change the settings. It's a one Google account. So once you made the changes here, it reflects over on your mobile as well, and you will start to get that. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Google activity not showing. This is how you can fix it, double check it, and turn it on. Very easy and very simple.